In this video, we will go over the opportunity map. It's a module that gives the user a view of all opportunities for related revenue and cost units, divisions, and subsidiaries. Welcome to Sales Optimizer's Account Optimizer dashboard. Search for the module and click on the name to open it up. At first glance, we see the close date drop-down list to filter in or out opportunities by their expected close date. We can also filter by their status, whether open, closed, or a combination. The hierarchy checkbox allows us to see all opportunities within the company hierarchy. This information is pulled from the account record and its associated opportunities. When we click on an opportunity, we can see the open activities and its related information, as well as closed activities with their respective bits of information. Finally, if we scroll down, we can see a list view of the opportunities related to this account. You have the ability to sort the information by any of the columns by clicking on the column's header or name. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at salesoptimizer.com.